In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're organizing a small team check-in or a large departmental meeting, setting up your meeting link is seamless and user-friendly. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, we need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening up your Microsoft Teams application or visiting the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, simply click on the Sign In button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to register for one to access all the amazing features Teams has to offer. Now that we're inside Teams, the next step is to navigate to the Calendar section. You'll find this by looking at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Calendar launches a view of your ongoing tasks and meetings, essentially acting as a digital planner. It's the perfect tool to keep you organized and on top of your appointments. Moving forward, we need to specify when you want to schedule this meeting. Look at the calendar interface and choose the date that works best for you and your participants. You can also adjust the time according to your convenience. Just click on the desired date and time slot to open a meeting scheduling window. With the date and time in place, it's time to give your meeting a title. The title should reflect the purpose of the meeting and help participants recognize what it's about at a glance. Simply type in your chosen title where prompted. Think of something clear and concise like Weekly Team Sync or Project Kickoff Meeting. Now, before sending out invitations, it's a good idea to manage participant details. Click on People who are invited to add attendees. Here, you can select individual team members or invite external guests by entering their email addresses. Aim for precision to ensure everyone who needs to be there is included. For larger groups or open meetings, click on Everyone, which allows the meeting to be accessible to all within your organization or defined groups. This feature is handy when there are multiple stakeholders or when hosting a webinar. Once you've set up everything, hit Save. This ensures all your details and arrangements are stored securely. You're almost there. Finally, you'll want to share the meeting link. Find the meeting in your calendar, and upon clicking it, you'll see the option to copy the meeting link. Share this link with your participants via email, chat, or any other communication platform you prefer. Voila! You've successfully created and shared your meeting in Microsoft Teams. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to set up a meeting link using Microsoft Teams. This tool is incredibly versatile, so make the most of it for your collaborative needs. Thanks for joining in, and I hope you find this guide helpful in organizing your future meetings.